Okay, so you want to start taking care of your skin. You open your browser, you type in skincare routine, and suddenly you're looking at 12-step Korean routines, $30 serums, ingredients you cannot pronounce, and about 47 conflicting opinions on what order to apply everything. And you close the tab, because where on earth do you even start? Right here. You start right here. Because I'm going to do what the internet failed to do, give you the simplest, most straightforward, actually doable skincare routine for someone who is starting from absolute zero. No overwhelm, no expensive products, no confusion. Just clean skin, happy skin, and a routine you will actually stick to. Let's build it. First, understand one thing before we touch a single product. Skincare is not complicated. The beauty industry needs it to feel complicated because complicated sells products. But at its core, healthy skin needs three things: to be clean, to be hydrated, to be protected. That's it. Everything else, the serums, the treatments, the 10-step routines, those are additions, extras, enhancements on top of a foundation that only needs three things. So everything we build today is built around those three things: cleanse, hydrate, protect. Once you have those locked in, you can add more later if you want to, but those three alone will transform your skin. I promise you that. Second, know your skin type before you buy anything. This is the step most beginners skip, and it's the reason they end up with products that don't work for them. There are 5 basic skin types: normal, balanced, not too oily, not too dry, minimal breakouts; oily, shiny, especially in the T-zone, enlarged pores, prone to breakouts; dry, tight-feeling skin, flakiness, dullness, sometimes sensitive; combination, oily in the T-zone but dry or normal on the cheeks; sensitive, reacts easily to products, redness, irritation, burning. How to figure out yours: wash your face with a gentle cleanser, pat dry, and wait 30 minutes without applying anything. Then look in the mirror. If your skin looks shiny all over, oily. If it feels tight and looks dull, dry. If your forehead and nose are shiny but your cheeks feel normal or tight, combination. If it looks and feels balanced, normal. If it's red or irritated, sensitive. Know your type. Buy for your type. That's how products actually work for you instead of against you. Now let's build your routine. 2 routines, morning and night. Both simple, both doable, both built on the same 3-step foundation. Your morning routine: 3 steps, 5 minutes. Step 1, cleanser. In the morning, your skin doesn't need a deep cleanse. It's been sitting on a clean pillow all night. A gentle, low-foaming cleanser is all you need. Work it into your skin for 30 to 60 seconds with clean fingers. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry. For oily skin, a gel or foaming cleanser. For dry or sensitive skin, a cream or milk cleanser. For combination, a gentle gel that's not stripping. For normal skin, honestly, almost anything gentle works. The golden rule for cleansers: if your skin feels tight or squeaky clean after washing, the cleanser is too harsh. Your skin should feel clean but comfortable, soft, not stripped. Step 2, moisturizer. Every skin type needs moisturizer. Yes, even oily skin. When oily skin is dehydrated, it actually produces more oil to compensate. Moisturizer on oily skin helps regulate that. Apply it to slightly damp skin right after patting dry while your face still has a little moisture on it. This seals the hydration in rather than just sitting on top. For oily skin, a lightweight gel moisturizer. For dry skin, a richer cream. For combination, gel on the oily zones, cream on the dry patches. For sensitive skin, fragrance-free, minimal ingredients. Step 3, SPF. Non-negotiable. Every morning, last step before you leave the house. SPF 30 minimum. I know you've heard this, but I need you to actually do it because sun damage is responsible for the majority of premature aging, dark spots, and uneven skin tone, and it happens invisibly every day you don't protect your skin. Find an SPF you like using, one that doesn't feel heavy or leave a white cast, because the best SPF is the one you'll actually wear. There are great options at every price point. Elta MD, La Roche-Posay, Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF, all available at the drugstore. Apply it as your very last step, over your moisturizer. Every morning, done. Your night routine, 3 to 4 steps, 5 minutes. Night is when your skin repairs and regenerates. Your night routine supports that process. Step 1, cleanser, but more thoroughly. At night, you are removing the day. Sunscreen, pollution, sebum, makeup if you wear it. This cleanse is more important than your morning one and deserves more attention. If you wear makeup or SPF, double cleanse. An oil-based cleanser or cleansing balm first to dissolve everything sitting on the surface, then your regular cleanser second to clean the actual skin. If you don't wear makeup and use a light SPF, one thorough cleanse with your regular cleanser is fine. Take 60 seconds minimum. Let the cleanser actually work. Rinse thoroughly. Step 2, toner. Optional but recommended. A toner is the step between cleanser and moisturizer that balances your skin's pH and adds the first layer of hydration. It's not the old-school, harsh alcohol toner that strips your skin. Those are not what we're using. A hydrating toner with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or niacinamide applied to damp skin by patting gently, not wiping, with clean hands or a cotton pad. For beginners, this step is optional. If you want to keep it simple, just go straight from cleanser to moisturizer. But if you want to add one thing beyond the basics, a hydrating toner is the most beginner-friendly and the most immediately noticeable addition. Step 3, moisturizer. Same moisturizer as morning or a slightly richer version for night, since your skin does more repair work while you sleep and benefits from deeper hydration. Apply to slightly damp skin. Let it absorb. Step 4, when you're ready to level up, a treatment product. Once your basic routine is locked in and consistent after about 30 days, you can consider adding one treatment product to your night routine. A vitamin C serum for brightening and dark spots, a retinol for anti-aging and skin texture, a niacinamide serum for pores and oil control, a simple AHA exfoliant 2 nights a week for smoothing and clarity. Pick one, start slowly, add it gradually, but only after your basics are second nature, because adding actives to an unstable routine makes it impossible to know what's working and what's causing reactions. Basics first, always.
The ingredients worth knowing. Simplified. You don't need to know everything. You need to know these. Hyaluronic acid. Hydration. Safe for all skin types. Goes on damp skin. Niacinamide. Pores, oil control, brightening. Universally tolerated. One of the most versatile ingredients in skincare. SPF. Protection. Non-negotiable. Vitamin C. Brightening, antioxidant protection, anti-aging. Morning use. Retinol. Cell turnover, anti-aging, texture. Night use only. Start slowly. Those 5 ingredients cover about 90% of what you'll ever need in a skincare routine. Start learning them one at a time as you add products to your routine. The mistakes beginners make. Avoid these. Trying too many products at once. If you introduce 5 new products in 1 week and your skin reacts, you have no idea what caused it. 1 new product at a time, 2 weeks apart. Overwashing. Twice a day is enough. Washing more strips your moisture barrier and causes more problems than it solves. Skipping moisturizer because skin is oily. Already covered this. Oily skin needs hydration too. Skip moisturizer on oily skin and your skin produces more oil to compensate. Using products not formulated for your skin type. Know your type, buy for your type. Expecting overnight results. Skincare is a long game. Give any new routine at least 30 days before you judge whether it's working. Skin cell turnover takes roughly 28 days. Results before that are surface level at best. Your complete beginner routine, written out simply. Morning, gentle cleanser, moisturizer for your skin type, SPF 30 minimum, 5 minutes, done. Night, oil cleanser if you wear makeup or SPF, regular cleanser, optional hydrating toner, moisturizer, 5 minutes, done. Weekly, when you're ready to add, a gentle exfoliant 2 nights a week, a hydrating face mask once a week for an extra boost. Monthly, when you're ready to level up, introduce 1 treatment product. Give it 30 days before judging. Total cost of this routine done at the drugstore? Under $30, possibly under $20 if you shop smart. Here's what I need you to take with you. Skincare is not complicated. The internet made it complicated. The beauty industry made it complicated. But your skin just needs to be clean, hydrated, and protected, consistently, every day. Start with those 3 things. Do them consistently for 30 days and watch what happens to your skin. Then, and only then, add more if you want to. Because the best skincare routine is not the most expensive one or the most elaborate one, it's the one you actually do, every morning, every night, without skipping. Build that habit first. Everything else follows. If the internet has been overwhelming you about skincare and this finally made it click, share it with a friend who needs to start their routine and subscribe because we keep it simple and we keep it real around here. I will see you in the next one.